I'm over here with Samuel Kift to create a new and a revived non-bots kids crossover Pooh's Adventures of Bots Life. I remember when I was a young little kid, I saw Baby Bob Hawk clip from the Dino Dancing Tunes DVD, which is from Barney's Big Surprise. And I think the new version is coming soon. The 1997 round was featured to all the 4 characters: Clipper, Kipper, Pingu, and Thomas Friends, the Chinese Time Station. Unfortunately, the 1997 round will never go out of there. But in the present day, since 97, everyone will be here soon because the Toby Center PPS Papas will still live on as they introduce My Little Pony Equestria Girls and Peanuts. But in 2024, I subscribe to Samuel Kids' YouTube channel and giving details for the special friends and Barney's Big Surprise Newest live tour as they becoming a wide stage show company. It's still Samuel, and it stands from America to Latin America and into Asia. I think this possibly will return to the UK. I also add the cheering and the waving goodbye scenes, which features the Peanuts, Sesame Street Muppets, and the Teletubbies who are outside to head back home, except for Barney, who gives you a kiss goodbye to the audience, and then there's confetti sprinkles down to the audience at the end of the video. So that's my first crossover change. So kids, YouTubers, comment down below to say yes for Special Friends and Barney's Big Surprise crossover to make this show Special Friends Barney's Big Surprise show, to make it happen without the previews from the opening trailers, not the opening and the closing trailers anymore. So I will see you soon. Brought to you by the numbers 20 and 24, and by the number 15 years. Bye bye.